If you're looking to stop recurring charges on Discord, follow these simple steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. This guide will help you cancel any unwanted payments. Step 1. Log into your Discord account. Visit the Discord website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access user settings. Once logged in, click on the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen to open user settings. Step 3. Navigate to subscriptions. In the user settings menu, scroll down and select the billing or subscriptions option to view all active subscriptions linked to your account. Step 4. Identify recurring charges. Look through the list of subscriptions to identify any recurring charges you wish to cancel. This may include services like Discord Nitro or game subscriptions. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Click on the subscription you want to cancel and follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Make sure to check for any confirmation messages to ensure the process is complete. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and stop any unwanted recurring charges on Discord. If you have further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Discord support for help.